Hi, I'm dgerard and this is Pivot to AI, coming to you daily. Today, Tim Sweeney from Epic makes every gamer and game developer love him even more. Unreal Engine is a video game engine. You can build a game on top of it. It saves you a lot of low-level detail work. Everyone uses game engines. Unreal is produced by Epic Games. Epic CEO Tim Sweeney is convinced the slot machine is the future. In November, he was claiming the Steam store, his competitor, should stop tagging games with AI because, quote, AI will be involved in nearly all future production, unquote. Sweeney's trying to make his fabulous future vision a reality. Epic's announced an early preview of Unreal Engine 6, the next version, coming in late 2027. Guess what it's got? AI! Even better, Tim's still trying to make the metaverse happen. Here's the announcement from dev lead Marcus Vosma. Quote, "We're building development pipeline features such as an MCP with integrations for Claude, Gemini, and others." Unquote. Actual game developers, not the studio executives, are not tempted. The devs hate using AI and they think it's trash. Austin Wood at Games Radar tried to do a both sides piece on AI in gaming. He even started claiming there were game developers who, quote, do see value in AI, unquote. But he couldn't actually produce a single one in all the devs he spoke to. Quote, "Perhaps pro AI developers didn't want to talk to me, or I just didn't run into any during my survey, because I heard an overwhelmingly negative assessment of generative AI's origins, capabilities, and risks. By the end, I'd heard dozens of developers make a case against using Gen AI at all." Unquote. So what does Epic think the game devs will use the Slotbot for? Quote, "As creativity and productivity multipliers, so that teams can focus their efforts on the essential creative and technical tasks of development, rather than time on time-consuming manual tasks." Unquote. That means the game assets, images and backgrounds and sounds and so on. The problem there is that that's not a disposable part of the game. Games aren't just a framework you drape arbitrary slop over. How it looks is part of how the game feels. It's load-bearing. The paying customers certainly think so. When Call of Duty Black Ops 7 came out last November, it had a pile of returns, specifically because the slopified gameplay looked so much worse than the non-AI trailers. Also, Unreal Engine 6 itself will be written with AI slop code. It's going to be super reliable to work with, but it gets better. Remember from 2021, the ridiculous promise from crypto bros that NFTs would somehow mean you could swap hats and guns between unrelated games. Sweeney still wants this. From the announcement, quote, "This means you'll have the option to use a player's entitled Fortnite outfits in your own games, and you'll get the tools to build outfits for your own games that work inside Fortnite. We see this as the first step toward building a shared economy for smart assets. Functional assets with logic and functionality that work across games." Unquote. Epic wants to bring back NFTs. They also want to build a game chat network because Discord is getting money that Epic could be getting. Quote, "The cross-game social link feature we are trying to implement through UE6 will have tremendous business value. Users will be able to form parties via voice chatting with friends in Game B while connected to Game A, and encourage them to try a new game." Unquote. This network isn't going to be any sort of equal thing. It'll all be gatewayed through Epic. Sweeney wants you, the outside developer, to put Fortnite hats into your game so Fortnite can use them. The other way, good luck with that. Now, you might think the AI vendors are already running out of all the money in the world, and they're putting up prices as far as they think they can get away with, hoping not to hemorrhage all the cash. I'm pretty sure 2027 is going to be hilarious for Unreal Engine with AI. And expensive. In the meantime, start learning the Godot engine, which doesn't accept AI code, unlike Unreal. Thanks for tuning in to Pivot to AI. I should plug another channel here, our good friend Coding with Compassion, a programmer channel that yells about AI a whole lot. The shorts are great too, and they're very linkable.
So are you more productive? Because it seems like you're working more than you ever have, hitting that token limit like it's a piñata, filled with $100 bills and cocaine.
Link in the show notes. Don't forget to send this video to everyone you know who hates slop in their games. Hit like and subscribe on YouTube. Leave a nice review in your podcast app. These really help. And if Pivot brightens your day, please do drop $5 into our Patreon linked in the show notes. Or if you prefer YouTube, hit the join button below the video. Thank you all. I'll see you tomorrow, and bye for now.